Genetic and Environmental Foundations. This chapter examines the foundations of development: heredity and environment. The discussion begins at the moment of conception, an event that establishes the new individual's hereditary makeup. Chromosomes containing genetic information from each parent combine to determine characteristics that make us human and also contribute to individual differences in appearance and behavior. Serious developmental problems often result from inheritance of harmful recessive genes and from chromosomal abnormalities. Fortunately, genetic counseling and prenatal diagnostic methods make early detection of genetic problems possible. Many families turn to adoption, and most adoptees ultimately fare well, despite some challenges. Just as complex as heredity are the environments in which human development takes place. The family has an especially powerful impact on development, operating as a network of interdependent relationships in which members exert direct, indirect, and third-party influences on one another. Family functioning and individual well-being are influenced considerably by child-rearing practices as well as by socio-economic status. Poverty and homelessness can pose serious threats to development, while children in affluent families may suffer from overscheduling and lack of emotional closeness. Beyond the immediate family, the quality of community life in neighborhoods, schools, towns, and cities also affects children's and adults' development. Cultural values, for example, the degree to which a society emphasizes collectivism versus individualism, combined with laws and government programs to shape experiences in all of these contexts. Public policies are needed to support the economic and social well-being of both children and elderly. Largely because of its strongly individualistic values, U.S. policies safeguarding children and families, as well as those safeguarding the elderly, lag behind those of other Western nations. Heredity and environment are involved in every aspect of development. Behavioral geneticists examine the contributions of nature and nurture to diversity in human traits and abilities. Epigenesis reminds us that development is best understood as a series of complex exchanges between heredity and all levels of the environment.